Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make a muffins. That will be avocado and raspberry muffins. So I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, vanilla extract, salt, and butter, avocado, 2 eggs, and raspberry. And I have also a milk. I use Carnation evaporated milk, 2% of that. And this is the first time I cook this, so let's try it together. I don't know how that goes, but I want to give a try myself. Alright, let's get started. So the first we have to smash the avocado. I don't have much avocado. I just have 1 left. I didn't go to grocery yet. Ooh. I tried a pistachio muffin, so that one's really good. So I'm gonna give a try of avocado too. How's everyone doing? I hope you guys doing well. And also my partner. How are you doing, partner? I hope you're doing well. Don't work too hard. So we're gonna smash that. Should be looks like this. Then now we'll add the egg. It should be looks like this. I already put the vanilla and milk in here. I thought I took a video, but now also put the sugar in there and stir it until the sugar is dissolved. I think that should be enough. So let's put this on the side and let's do the flour together. And the baking powder, and we'll mix them. And now let's put the mixture here. And the cranberry. And mix them well. It should be looks like this. While you're doing this, preheat your oven 400 degrees. Alright, we'll put this on the muffin pan. So this is the muffin that I have silicone muffin thing. I already prepared that. You might add that later. I may have a lot of muffin. Alright, this is it. I made 12 muffins and we'll bake it. We'll see you a little bit. Alright everyone, here is my avocado and raspberry muffins for breakfast. I have a side of tea. You can also side of coffee. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also you can share my video to your friends and your family. Alright, and also welcome to all new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Hello to all subscribers, family and friends, and my partner. Love you, love you. See ya. God bless.